Okay. Okay, now look at the first one, question number 30. So, how do you create equation in order to prove that L is 8 over 3x, 6 minus x? Okay, so what you have to focus, okay, so I redraw the shape. You have dotted here, you have a rectangle here, and we have y and x and x. So we have to create equation involving y and x. So is there any info given? It's given that AB equals 10. AB is 10. This is also 10. And BC is 12. And so here it means 6 and 6. And if you use Pythagoras, you will get that AN will be 8 centimeters. Okay. So, do you still remember about enlargement? Okay. What is confusing me, myself, is that you have not learned that chapter yet, and you still have to use that concept. Or maybe they want you to apply this chapter 4 of form chapter 4 of form 3. What is it called? Scale factor. Okay, scale factor concept is that you can use this triangle, okay, and this triangle is a small triangle, and its relative or its mother is here. Is the bigger one here are related. But once we come to chapter 5 of modern maths, I'm going to explain this further. Okay. This triangle and the bigger triangle. That is the small triangle. Let me QRC is the small triangle. And where is the bigger triangle? Is AMC. Okay, we have two triangles here. QRC. Bigger triangle AMC. This we call dalam bahasa Melayu kot terlupa tapi tak sama. The properties means the ratio of QC to AC will be equal to ratio of QR to AN. Terlupa tapi tak sama. Okay. So we can create equation relating them. Is that like this? You have to understand the ratio of the base ratio are equal to ratio of the height. Okay? And equal ratio of the Pythagoras or the hypotenuse. Okay. So the equation you can say the base of the small triangle over the base of the bigger triangle equal to the height of the small triangle divided by the height of the bigger triangle. Okay. So you can see RC over MC equals to height over height. It depends on you. So both are correct. Okay. So I'm going to do say the base here is the base here are equal to the height equal to the height. Okay. Is there anything real level here? This RC is 6 minus x. Also, I will write down RC that is the base of the small triangle over the base of the bigger triangle, MC, is equals to R, which is QR AN. So what is RT in terms of X and Y? That is 6 minus X. 6 minus X. If you do not understand, confused, just disturb me right now, okay? Okay, who is not here? Okay, okay. I think all the four of you only. And MC will be 6 is equal to QR. Have an equation relating X and Y. And then, okay, they say express Y in terms of X. So, I just leave Y on the right side. Then I multiply. So I have 8 over 6 times 6 minus X. Then Y is simplified. You got 4 over 3, 6 minus X. And And for now, that, that, is, that is the expression of y in terms of x. Now, show that the area of the rectangle, area of rectangle PQRS is PQRS. So, area, show that the area is L. So, L is 2x times y. Okay. Let me know. And we replace y as 4 over 3 and 6 minus x. So 2 times 4 over 3, 6 minus. Is it possible to do like this? Okay, this is equal to this. How do we have this multiply 2 times 4? So it become this. So if you multiply, then become 8 over 3, 6 minus x. Okay. So I believe after that you know how to handle this to finish up. Make sure you remember the requirement, or there is one more in case that you show that the area is maximum or minimum. That is always even we always forget about it. Okay. Continue. Okay, cikgu perlu handphone sekejap.
Okay, let me know. Since I'm using handphone, okay, I do not see the chat messages. I need to tap on the handphone. So it's best in case you have any question, you let me know using voice. So for your info, number 14 is also you have to say use the same concept. And especially to Nick, expect this kind of question in your exam. Okay? So should be one of the question that will come out. Okay, let me have a break of 6 minutes. My son is waiting for Isha. Okay. Uh, if anything, ask me after 6 minutes. Okay, gentlemen, is there any question you want to ask? Yeah, no, okay. Okay, which one?
Number plus two.
Okay.
Second bracket of Rn plus MP.
Okay.
I shall find you positive.
Of course lah. Because we are talking about length, how come we become negative? Okay. Alright. So you want me to look at it, or you want me to show on the whiteboard?
Sure.
Okay. How about others? Do you get the answers? Adil, you get the answer for number 14? Adeline, do you get the answer for 14? Okay. Alright. How about Ayuni? Okay. Alright. Okay, so this has been a long time ago that I did this question, because last year I did not even teach one class for this chapter. Okay, I skipped. Or the fact is 2 chapters, or is it 3 or 4 chapters? Okay, because I had to concentrate on the 6 chapters. All right. So the above diagram shows the intersection of 2 roads such that the widths are 16 meter. And 9 meter respectively. Okay. M and N are 2 variable points such that MSN is a straight line if Rn equals to x meter and MP equals y meter, express y in terms of x. Did you get y in terms of x? Okay. I need to confirm with Ayuni and Adil. Okay, Adil, you get it? How about Ayumi and Adlin? Did you get the express y in terms of x? No. Okay. Even if there is one no, I will show you. Okay. If Rn is x and p equals y, express y in terms of x. So we have the triangle. Okay. This is question number 14. Y. So here is p, y meter, and PQ and 9. So this should be 9 meter. And this should be R. And this is 16 meter. And this is X meter. Okay. And then what are the info? Okay. So as usual, you have to figure out using the triangles, big triangle and small triangle. And this should be 9. Okay. X, and then here is 9. This is the small triangle. The big triangle is this one. So you can say, you can relate, if you call this height, okay, this is the height of the small triangle, and the whole thing is the height of the larger triangle. So we say x over 16 plus x. Okay, if we can call this height, you can say this is base, no problem, whichever. Height of the small triangle over height of the bigger triangle is equals to base of the small triangle, which is 9, and then the base of the bigger triangle will be y plus 9. And then you have to express y in terms of x. Make y as a subject. First, you multiply. X multiplied with y plus 9 equals to 9 multiplied with 16 plus x.
But then immediately I'm not going to multiply this inside, so I just move that x. So 9 over x multiplied by 16 plus x. So y is, if I want to multiply, what is 16? Okay, what is my calculator? That is 16 times 9, 144. Oops. We have 144 over x. Oh, so when multiplied, here we get 9. And then minus 9. Okay. In case you need or I really don't understand where I get this, 9 over x multiplied by 16, I get 144 over x. And then when 9 when 9 over x times x, we cut x and x, you get 9. Then I move 9 to the other side, so 9 minus 9. So we have y is 144 over x. Okay, so your working could be this or could be little bit different, but you will get to the same answer. And then express, okay, and hence find the value of x such that Rn plus Np is a minimum. We have to, okay, we have this where to get Rn plus Np. Where is Rn? Okay, I have to look at the figure again. Rn. Rn is x. Oh, okay. Stay here. Rn plus Np. Is there any info? The value of x such that Rn plus Np is a minimum. So far, I did not find anything that I could work on. Maybe we do not see that. Okay, Rn plus Np. What is Rn? Rn is x. Np is Np is what? What is Np? Np is y. Okay. Okay, so we can just x plus y. We can say just length. Okay. So after that, you just substitute y as 144 over x. Okay. So the length is x plus y, and x plus y, and the y is 144 over x. Then I'll rewrite that 144 to the power of -1, because in order to know the minimum value, you have to differentiate that. Okay. So L is x plus 144. So we have dl over dx is 1 minus 144 over x squared. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. And we multiply everything with x squared. Get plus minus 12. So x is plus minus 12, but it could not be negative. So therefore x is and the value of y, and what's the answer given? X is 12. What is the equation? Finally, oh, okay. And that's it. Okay. There is one not missing because I have not proved that the answer is a minimum. So I need to differentiate again. So d squared L over dx squared is imaginary. So this is 1 minus 1 4 x negative 2. So I bring to negative 2 here. I get 288. Okay, 288 x negative 3. So it should be 288 over x to the power of 3. When x is 12, so it becomes 288 over 12 cubed. So I do not need to find the value. What is important, it is positive. So therefore, Rn plus Mp is zero. Okay. So sometimes it's something is really philosophical. Okay. Uh-huh. So that's why you need to be prepared more than others. Right. Yeah.
Nampak yang selalu
So, because if you this is negative 1 to 4 square, if you bring it up, it become negative 2, right? You differentiate that, negative 2 you multiply by 1 to 4. So,
Okay, number 15 and 16 should not be a big problem to you, okay, because it's the normal one, okay. Just need some practice to prove and to show into the exact working or to the exact expression given there. Okay, you might get something, but you might not be able to get exactly what is given. Okay, let me know in case anybody need help with question number 15. All right, okay, proceed. And do let me know once you finish all until number 16. Then I will give it some intro to the second sheet.